Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 VW Scirocco. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. I do have rather a lot of things paired to my phone, but over to the system, you've got phone there, third down on the left hand side, click phone. There's no phones connected at the moment, so it's giving you the option to find telephone, which we're doing there. It's already come up here, VW BT 6471. Searching for devices. It says Bluetooth audio stop there, but we'll see what happens. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Click on that. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone, and here we go. 743 708 743 708 pair. And yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. You see there at the moment it says not connected, and it's connecting there. We'll just see. VW BT 6471 connected, and it's connected on the screen here.